What's going on, guys? We're going to do an unboxing on this DJI Action 5 Pro. See what everything you get in the box. I want to say this is the Adventure Pack. So we got accessories. There's the camera. What else we got in here? This looks like the extension rod. Let's get this opened up. It's actually a nice grip. So do you twist it? Nope, you just pull it. Pretty good. Dang. Oh my God. It's like a 5-foot rod. All right. Definitely longer than I thought that was gonna be. We'll get that in a second. So the accessories you get in the Adventure should be the battery pack and 3 batteries. Let's get this out of here. That's it right there. So a little QR code, take you back to the store, a little startup guide, and gotta have the sticker. All right, charging cable. Here looks to be the actually charging pack. If I can get it open. Get this, open it up. Very nice. 1950 milliamp hour batteries, fits 3 in there. And I want to say this is the magnetic quick disconnect mount. It is. One cool feature about this, you can actually connect it to the camera. You can have a total of 4 battery life. So, I mean, hours and hours of recording. So here is the camera. Make sure we don't eat that. Let's get this out. That looks to be the case and camera. So let's get this open. Very nice case. I do like the opening of it. Buttons on the sides are pretty sturdy. This looks to be like a magnetic mount. Nope, sticky mount. Little curve. Get that out there. What else we got in here? There is the quick mount. 2 quick mounts, and these screws to lock everything in. I do like these wing style screws, give you a little more grip versus the smaller ones. Would have been easier if I would have got a little knife or something, but we'll get it. Get all this out of the way. Very nice, clean camera, rigid. So that is the unboxing of the Action 5 Pro. Thank you guys for watching.